Tired of email marketing feeling like a tangled mess? Let's untangle it and craft powerful campaigns with System.io. First, log into your System.io account, then hover over the Mails tab at the top of the screen and click on Campaigns. This is where the magic begins. Now, click on the Create Campaign button. A window will pop up, prompting you to name your campaign. Choose a name that's descriptive, like Welcome Sequence or Product Launch, then click Save. Great, you'll now see your newly created campaign. Click on the campaign name to open it out, and you'll see an option to add an email. Click on that button. This is where you craft your email. Start by adding your sender name and email address, then create a subject line that grabs attention and entices people to open your email. Next, design your email content. You can choose a pre-designed template or build your email from scratch. Remember to personalize your message to connect with your audience. Make sure to include a clear call to action. Once you're happy with your email, go to the settings page. Here, you can set the delay before this email is sent, the amount of time between each email, and the time you want your email sent. To fully automate your campaign, head over to the Automation Rules section. Here, you can set up triggers, like new subscribers joining your list, and actions, such as adding them to your campaign. This ensures that your emails are sent automatically to the right people at the right time. Finally, track your results. System.io provides analytics to monitor your open rates and click-through rates. Use this data to refine your campaigns and improve your email marketing strategy over time. Now, go forth and create some amazing email campaigns. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more System.io tips and tricks.